Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. In today's recipe, we are going to see a delicious and quick dinner recipe with pasta. So come on, let's get into the video. So in a bowl, I have taken 2 eggs with some salt and pepper. Now beat the eggs well. So with this, I have already had some leftover chicken from my lunch. So I have used in this recipe. You can have boiled vegetables as well, and you can add shredded cheese as well. Combine well with the egg mixture. So to this, I have add 1 cup of already boiled pasta. So mix well. So in a heavy bottomed pan, I have taken about 1 tablespoon of oil and poured the egg pasta mix. Now spread the mixture evenly so that it cooks evenly on all sides. Now cover this and cook for 8 to 10 minutes in a medium to low flame. So after 8 to 10 minutes, I am going to flip it over to cook it on the other side by using a plate. Now cook the another side for about 5 minutes without the lid on low flame. Now the dish is ready. See how quick and simple it is.